folks. All right, I got her freaking set up. This is what the deal is here. See this? This is Cannon Beach. We come here after going to Swan Island Dahlias there in Canby, Oregon. We're staying in that room over there. It's the second floor all the way to the right there. That's where we're staying. We got an ocean view. Are you freaking kidding me? At sunset. It's nice to finally come down to the Oregon coast. I've never been here before, and it's awesome. From sea to shining sea. Right here is the sea, and then from the shining sea on the other side, the Atlantic. This place over here is Haystack Rock or something like that. I'm sure we'll go over there and, you know, get the tourist attraction picture, all that good stuff. Just an incredible place to be. Ooh, Jimmy's over there flying his kite. Let's go fly a kite.
So when I do it, my face
yeah,
is
see?
like fatter.
Ah!
Beautiful. Holy cow.
Okay, send a picture to somebody.
Okay, I need.
Ooh, look at this. This is some kind of form of sea life. See that? It's weird.
Is that a jellyfish?
Kind of looks like one. It's got tendrils. Look at that. See? He's like jelly.
You know, because he is.
You can tell it's an aspen tree because of the way it is. Oh man, that was so cool to watch that sunset. Just her and I came down here to the beach, enjoying our time here. We'll be here for about probably not even 24 hours, and then we'll leave. Holy crap, I cannot imagine having one of these houses right here. That'd be so awesome. Oregon coast, cool place to be. Glad I came down here. It's my very first time ever coming down here. So this Haystack Rock here, lots of sea life, good stuff all around. Don't be stepping on the rocks, because that's sea life there. Got to hit up the candy shop, all of the local diners, and see what this place is all about.
Honestly, it's crazy to see such different coastlines. Like when we went to Florida.
Oh yeah, this is so much different than Florida.
So much different.
It's very elegant, right? Or wrong?
Yes.
I could see myself coming back here for sure. Pretty amazing to see the different coastlines of the US here in Oregon. Nice mountainous type coastline. Florida, more beachy, flat. The water up here is super cold. No one's in it. Everybody's wearing coats, sweatshirts, jackets, hats. Pretty crazy the difference. Lots of sea life going on in all these rocks here. There's shells all over these rocks growing. So look at all these mussels right here and shells. They're probably all alive. Look at that guy right there. See him? He's dead. I wonder if there's any pearls inside there. So this feels like a rock right here. You think, oh, that's a rock, but it's actually life. So look, check this out. See that? Touch them. They're all alive. See that? Full of water. That is crazy. These are live animals of the ocean. It'd be fun to work down here and build stuff like this down here on the coast. I wonder how long it takes for these houses before they have to renovate them or reside them, because there's so much salt, wind, and weather down here. It's quite cold and chilly down here, and this is like the 27th or 8th of August. The last stop on our trip to and from Portland and Cannon Beach on the Oregon coast is this place right here. This place is Shoshone Falls in Twin Falls, Idaho. We have seen pictures of this and they're kind of all over, but this is so much bigger than we thought it was gonna be, or I thought it was gonna be. Look at the lava rock up here along the horizon there. It's all lava rock. And then this big, huge, majestic waterfall. That is so big. Not sure exactly how big Niagara Falls is. Could be similar, I don't really know. Really, really cool place to see. We got got this guy right here. See him? He's just as interested in the shot as I am.
When you put that camera in front of my face, my whole personality leaves. It's like, I don't know. Yeah, hi.
It's true, folks. When you get in front of the camera, it's tough. The camera is just one of those things that you either got it or you don't. I definitely am not the guy that's got it, that's for sure. Apparently there's an Evel Knievel jump site over here. So we're thinking he probably tried to jump from there to there. Don't really know for sure. I mean, that looks like the most narrow spot, but there is a map up above. You never know the cool things you're gonna see until you get out there and start looking around, folks. Never underestimate your opportunities to see cool stuff. Just gotta open your eyes and take a look. I told you guys, it's the Niagara of the West. I told you.
But look how much more water. Like, it's obviously a lower year, because normally it falls everywhere.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, low year. So this is Snake River that comes through here, and that creates that falls. They built a reservoir that supplies water to Twin Falls, and then the Snake River comes Shoshone Falls, and then that's it. We're thinking the Evel Knievel jump site is likely right there at that point. Okay, right there, over to there. Then if you pan down here, you got this falls. Lots to see out here in the west, guys. All you Easterners have got to come out west if you want to see some cool stuff. And I need to get my sorry butt out to the East Coast so I can see some cool stuff over there too. Of course it pisses me off. Like, who do they think they are? Who do they think they are? See, they got this little lookout point right there, okay? You got the staircase here, it comes up here, and then they've got it all blocked off with the fence. Like, who do they think they are blocking that off? It's not okay. I think that pretty well is gonna wrap up this adventure. We're going back home now. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Oh my gosh, it's the mom rebel. Oh my gosh.